easiest way I found to log into Microsoft OneDrive is to open your browser and type 365. You press enter, and it's going to always be the very first link that comes up. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you for your username and password, or your email address and password. The email address you type in is exactly the same one you type in to go to your emails. So Microsoft Outlook, it's exactly that same email address and your password. Once you're logged in, you're going to be logged into Microsoft 365. Now, to get to OneDrive from here, you click on the 9 dots in the top left. This is called the App Launcher. Click on the 9 dots and you simply click on OneDrive. Once you're in OneDrive, you should be able to see the most recent files that you've been working on.